In this video, we're highlighting the best turntables of 2025, perfect for vinyl lovers. From the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK to the Fluance RT85, we'll explore top-rated models that deliver excellent sound, durability, and style. Whether you're just starting your vinyl journey or an audiophile looking for precision, we've got you covered. Join us as we break down the features and find the perfect turntable for your collection. Number 5. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK is a fantastic entry-level turntable that delivers high-quality sound at an affordable price. It features fully automatic operation, making it easy to use for beginners. With 2 speeds, 3313 and 45 RPM, it accommodates most vinyl records, while the die-cast aluminum platter helps minimize unwanted vibrations for a smoother audio experience. A key improvement in this model is the redesigned tone arm base and headshell, which enhances tracking and reduces resonance. The built-in switchable phono preamp allows it to connect to both powered and traditional speakers, offering flexibility in your audio setup. The AC adapter is designed to reduce noise by keeping AC or DC conversion outside the chassis. Users praise the clean, modern design, ease of setup, and clear, balanced sound, especially compared to lower-end suitcase-style players. However, it lacks Bluetooth connectivity, which may be a drawback for some. Overall, the AT-LP60X-BK is an excellent choice for vinyl lovers looking for a budget-friendly yet high-fidelity turntable that delivers impressive performance with minimal setup hassle. Number 4. The Fluance RT81 Elite is a high-fidelity turntable that combines audiophile-grade components with a classic walnut wood design. Its belt drive system reduces motor noise, while the high-mass MDF wood plinth and aluminum platter provide excellent isolation from vibrations, resulting in clean, warm sound reproduction. Equipped with the Audio-Technica AT-95E cartridge, this turntable ensures precise groove tracking with its diamond elliptical stylus, delivering rich, detailed audio. The balanced aluminum S-type tone arm enhances tracking accuracy, ensuring smooth playback. A built-in Texas Instruments preamp allows for direct connection to powered speakers or an external amplifier for even greater sound flexibility. Users appreciate the easy setup, superior build quality, and outstanding audio clarity, especially when compared to entry-level turntables. The classic walnut finish adds an elegant touch to any listening space. Some users recommend pairing it with a high-quality amplifier for an even more immersive experience. For those seeking a balance of vintage aesthetics and modern performance, the Fluance RT81 Elite is an excellent investment, offering premium sound quality, durability, and a stylish design at a reasonable price. Number 3. The Pioneer DJ PLX-500 is a high-quality direct drive turntable built for both professional DJs and home listeners. With its powerful motor, built-in preamp, and USB connectivity, it offers an impressive mix of classic analog sound and modern digital convenience. The direct drive system ensures stable rotation speed and high torque, making it perfect for scratching and mixing. The included headshell with cartridge and stylus delivers clear, well-balanced audio, while the built-in preamp allows for easy connection to any speakers or audio system. The USB output is a great feature for those looking to digitize their vinyl collection, making it easy to preserve records in digital formats. Users highlight its excellent sound quality, ease of setup, and durable construction. Some mention that while it's a bit heavier than other turntables, the sturdy build enhances stability and reduces unwanted vibrations. The sleek black design adds a professional look, making it a stylish addition to any setup. Whether you're a DJ, audiophile, or casual vinyl listener, the Pioneer DJ PLX-500 is a fantastic choice that combines high performance, versatility, and reliability. Number 2. The Audio-Technica AT-LP120XUSB-BK is a premium direct drive turntable that delivers exceptional sound quality and versatility. Designed for audiophiles and DJs, this fully manual turntable offers precise playback, 3-speed functionality, 33, 1-3, 45, and 78 RPM, and a built-in phono preamp for easy connection to any audio system. One of its standout features is the direct drive DC servo motor, which ensures stable and consistent rotation without the slippage or wear of belt-driven alternatives. The adjustable anti-skate control and variable pitch adjustment provide added control for fine-tuning playback. The USB output is a valuable addition for those looking to convert their vinyl collection into digital files, making it ideal for both casual listeners and collectors who want to preserve their records. Users love its crystal-clear audio reproduction and seamless setup, with many praising its ability to enhance the sound of older, worn-out records. The included AT-VM95E cartridge delivers warm, detailed playback, while the sturdy build ensures durability. For anyone seeking a high-quality turntable with excellent customization options and digital conversion features, the AT-LP120XUSB-BK is a superb investment that balances modern convenience with classic analog sound. Number 1. The Fluance RT85 is a premium turntable that brings an exceptional vinyl listening experience with its high-fidelity audio performance and elegant construction. Featuring the Ortophon 2M Blue cartridge, this turntable delivers impressive accuracy, reduced distortion, and a detailed, balanced sound across the entire frequency range. The high-density acrylic platter is one of its standout features, offering enhanced resonance damping that results in tighter bass and a clearer, fuller sound. The isolated AC motor and precision speed control mechanism ensure a consistent playback with minimal wow flutter. With an MDF wood plinth and adjustable damping feet, this turntable provides excellent vibration isolation, preventing unwanted noise and improving overall clarity. Users appreciate the quality craftsmanship of the RT85, noting the smooth setup and premium sound quality right out of the box. Many enjoy the warm, detailed audio and find that it enhances the listening experience, especially when paired with a good amplifier. The addition of the Ortophon 2M Blue cartridge ensures that your vinyl records are played with increased precision and fidelity. For anyone looking for a high-performance turntable that delivers crisp, clear sound, and elegant design, the Fluance RT85 is an excellent choice that exceeds expectations.